Today we're going to be fishing and trying to catch carp and suckers with Blake.
Open my window, Daddy.
And yeah, I see you there. Okay, so we were just at a place and we went and we didn't catch anything. So we're gonna try a place new. Time lapse. Guys, we got a fish. We got a big one. Look at the pole bending.
See it in the water.
Oh, it's a big carp. Blake, reel it.
I can't. He's fighting too hard.
No, you're not even trying.
I am trying. He's pulling, taking out the drag.
Right.
It's a big one. Watch the stinging nettle.
I don't care if it's dirty water. I just want to get him.
You could see it right in the water.
That didn't take very long. He's still taking out line.
Can you see where? Oh, I see.
I'll try pulling him back a little bit. You see him?
I'm trying to have a bucket of water so we can have it in the bucket a little bit.
There he is, Pierce.
Ooh, that is big.
Look at that. That's a carp. Oh my gosh. Keep going, Blake. Wow.
Daddy.
It's right here. Here, can I reel it?
Okay, I got it.
Yeah, you can reel for a bit. Turn it. Here, I'll switch.
Hold it. It's hard for it to see.
Oh no. Then it's stuck.
That's okay.
Ooh.
There's Piercy. Pulling in the big one.
Here. You got this. You got this big carp with fire. Okay.
You gotta scoop way underneath it, Blake.
Try to get him closer.
Oh, he got out of the net. No, under him.
I'm trying. So frustrating.
Pull him right in under the net. Now lift it, Blake. Yeah, they got him. Whoa. Watch your pull.
Guys, I caught a perch. Right here. It's a perch. It's dead. So guys, this is the end of the video. We ended up catching 2 carp. Yeah, you only saw us catch 1, but yeah, we ended up catching 2 carp and 1 little perch. So yeah. Gotta get through all this. Okay, so yes. Let's keep going over here. So yeah, ended up getting 2 carp and a perch, which is not bad. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna catch 2. Well, we were gonna catch 2. See you in a minute.